Hey everyone, it's Alice here from Top Mark Science, and today we're going to be looking at fertilisation. Throughout this video, we will be exploring what the human gametes are, the process of fertilisation in human reproduction, and the different types of twins. Let's get started. It is worth mentioning that throughout this video, I will use the terms male and female. By this, I mean those who are born biologically female, so have two X chromosomes, and those who are born biologically male with XY chromosomes and does not reflect the gender identity of a person. Now, you may have seen in my last video on reproductive systems that eggs are produced in the ovaries, and two of them are called ova, and sperm are produced in the testes. Egg and sperm cells are known as gametes, the human sex cells. So eggs produced in the ovaries and sperm in the testes, how do they actually meet? During sexual reproduction, the penis is inserted into the vagina. The sperm, then produced in the testes, mix with seminal fluid to produce semen during ejaculation, allowing the sperm to enter the female reproductive system. It can then move up through the cervix, and the sperm will then swim towards the egg, which will be moved along the oviduct by cilia. Millions of sperm are released during ejaculation, and many die along the way, resulting in a single successful sperm cell, which burrows into the egg and their nuclei fuse. This is fertilisation. The fertilised egg then embeds itself into the soft lining of the uterus wall, and the cell divides rapidly, forming an embryo, which later on develops into a fetus with continued cell division. Now, there may be times, just by chance, where two eggs are released from the ovaries, which now means there are two eggs available for two sperm to fertilise, resulting in the potential for two babies to grow. In this case, they are two different eggs and two different sperm, so different DNA. These could be non-identical twins. Other cases might involve one egg and one sperm fertilisation, which the same egg splits into two. Now we have the same set of genetic information in both fertilised cells, which divide and form two of the same individual, identical twins. Fertilisation is the combination and fusion of gametes, in this case sperm and egg cells. Pause the video here and place the statements on the screen into order of occurrence. If you finish, try the challenge. Let's go through the answers then. Get ready to mark and annotate your answers as we go. So firstly, during sexual intercourse, the penis is inserted into the vagina. Eventually, semen is released into the top of the vagina, and this is called ejaculation. The semen then moves up through the cervix and into the oviducts, where the sperm cells swim up the oviduct, and if it meets an egg, it can burrow and fertilise it. During fertilisation, the nucleus of the sperm fuses with the nucleus of the egg cell. Well done if you got some or all of these correct. And the challenge was to describe and explain the difference in the process in the production of identical versus non-identical twins. The word explain will mean that we need to use the word because. So, when one sperm fertilizes one egg, this develops into one embryo. Sometimes one egg can divide into two embryos, and this results in identical twins. They are identical because they have the same genetic information from the same nucleus. Other times, two eggs might be released from the ovaries. Therefore, two eggs can meet two sperm to result in two separate embryos. This is non-identical twins, two babies conceived at the same time but are not genetically the same, because they developed from two different nuclei with different genetic information. In other words, different eggs and sperm. Let's wrap this video up with an end of video lesson quiz. Question 1. What is the name of a female gamete? An egg. Well done. Question 2. What does sperm mix with before travelling down the urethra? Seminal fluid. This produces semen released during ejaculation. Question 3. True or false? Fertilisation occurs the moment the penis enters the vagina. False. Only when the sperm and egg fuse their nuclei together. Question 4. Everyone born will be unique because each sperm and egg have different something information in their nuclei. Genetic information. Good work. And finally, explain one scenario where two babies are born with the same features. Identical twins, because the fertilised egg cell divides into two. Pause the video here to rate your understanding so you can see what you need to work on later. It is most useful if you're honest, so you can revise and learn effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it and would like to see more from Top Mark Science, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you next time.